So today we're doing the Obsidian necklace reveal. I found these on eBay. I bought several of these for me, for friends. It's kind of my new thing. This came from Lulong06. I will drop their contact information in the notes of this video. So this is a koi fish obsidian pendant. It's solid stone. This is unpolished. This is polished, and the back is polished. It comes with polished obsidian stone beads here, and something in, I think, Chinese around the base, but I'm not sure what it is. So it also came with this charming little note from the seller that says, "Thank you for your purchase." I'm sorry, I have to do my nails, they're a little chipped. And it also came with this beautiful jade pendant. So this was a bonus gift to say thank you for buying from us. So I bought another obsidian necklace. This one is a dragon goddess for a friend. I was like, that so fits them. And so I sent that on its merry way. And I'm probably buying a couple more for other friends and acquaintances because I really like their products. Now, Lulong06 only posts obsidian like 2 pieces every so often. So you kind of have to hunt and peck for them. But they cost about, I would say, $2 to $5 depending. And they are definitely worth the money. They came within, I would say, 2 weeks. It says it will take like a month to a month and a half, but it doesn't. And very, very high quality. So that's my review of koi fish obsidian pendant.